hope you're enjoying the movies here at STAR64 The Movies. Amy Scalia here, enjoying my time at Sleigh Bells in Walton, Kentucky. I've got Rich here, one of the owners. I have to tell you, this tree reminds me of my childhood. I see cassettes and fast food.
That's right. And you know, it's fun. We love it. This is the best burger in this town, and yet it's no calories. So we just love that type of stuff. We have hot dogs, we have cheese, we have pizza, and even a diamond ring in case you need it.
Diamond rings. Hello. We're coming up right here at STAR64 The Movies.